Ni.
Apa surprise dia? Tembak kamu itu lah singkang am tas ni.
Wah. Tadi kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong balak khai miah ke por sok plum. Tadi sekah cung miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka ba dunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Angin pa ya Shnong meeting kaya parti bisa pekat itu kepada benle hari ini sini ramai. Ini ikannya kamdei kabaja tang apa makalia kadai kabaja baru iya. Fikir bakal kadai census bakal election kadai kiwei nak ki badan kamtam. Te ka sarkar kamla ban shupha laki nong kinok hati ban pha laki nong tre sarkar laki bat ki Nonghikai ki don laporo ki Shnong. Te ka hati yo I jong ka sarkar India bat keripik jongka nado kis por jongka pareng lu ki balik nong kong kis 1901 hadi menta kalong ba kade kabaya kuntu tapi na kren ke ke batin dek bisa kade kuntu na kalian ngilale ya berengkam bat lor kata pat ki don kacing bom smuhun ke na lor kata tani patin ni kum ka sarkar ka bas na is na penya daraki badai banle kanong rok idea ko bahatam kinta kata handrai not at the cost of the welfare of the other sector of the state. Ka education department ka thang katli baki ek bangin le ka.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in. Bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.